Let's create this poster quickly and easily in Adobe Illustrator. Start by taking a new artboard. Now take the ellipse tool, draw a circle. Take the pen tool and draw the shape of the body. We are going to create a stick man. So let's create a random shape. Move this circle on top. Adjust the position of the head. Now take the pen tool and let's draw legs. These are the pen legs that we have created. Let's draw a shoe also here like this. Okay, let's create the other leg. Create the shoe of the leg. Now for the hand, let's draw a line like this. It will give an illusion that this person is holding the telescope. Let's create the other hand. Now let's create the telescope. I'll just draw a random shape for it. Okay, let's draw a circular shape in the front like this. Let's create a curved line for the eye and a curved line for the mouth as well. Create a stick for the flag. And now let's create the flag. Create a hand to show that the hand is holding the flag. Okay, now select the area of the shape of the telescope and click on this option called Draw Inside. Now whatever we will draw, it will be acting as a mask inside of this shape. So take the brush tool, take this stroke as your color, and just draw random lines here on top of it. It will act as a mask. Now, similarly, select the other shapes of the telescope and repeat the same process we did earlier. Do this for all the parts of the telescope to ensure consistency. Once the telescope is complete, move on to the shapes of the flag. Select them and activate the Draw Inside option. Using the color picker tool, choose an orange color for the brush stroke and draw inside the flag shapes. Make sure to repeat this process on both sides of the flag for uniformity. Next, to adjust the stroke size of the shapes, select one black stroke. Go to Select, choose Same, and then choose Stroke Color. This will automatically select all the shapes with the same black stroke color. Now increase the stroke width until it looks appropriate. Once satisfied, select all the elements and group them together to keep the design organized. Resize the group to make it smaller and fit within the composition. Let's create a grid background. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle the size of the artboard. Go to the Object menu, choose Path, and then split into Grid. Make sure to turn on the preview option to see the changes in real time. Increase the number of rows and columns until the grid looks detailed enough. Once the grid is ready, decrease the stroke size to make it subtle. Move the grid background behind the stickman design by sending it to the back. Finally, reduce the opacity of the grid to keep it understated and let the main design stand out. Now take the text tool and paste your text onto the artboard. Adjust the paragraph spacing to make it visually pleasing. Choose a font that suits your design and give it a color of your choice. Adjust the spacing between the lines to make it look more balanced. Now, reposition the text and the stickman character to ensure everything aligns well. Once you're satisfied with their placement, add another text element. Use the text tool again, paste the new text, and give it an orange color to make it pop. Adjust its position to complement the rest of the composition. Take a moment to review the overall layout. If anything seems off, adjust the spacing and positioning of all the elements to achieve harmony in the design. And with that, you're done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It's a very easy and quick way to create a poster. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials.